So it's 20th February 2025. Um, Yesterday wasn't a good day. All my time, all my brain power was used on the charts, and it didn't feel good. And I did a lot of revenge trading, not over leveraging, but a lot of trading. Yeah, and I took a lot of trades with no clear setups, and it was a mess, honestly. I lost about 5% of my gains, and I had a headache when I slept. I wasn't feeling well, so I woke up fresh today and went to a walk in the morning. And before touching the markets, I told myself that I'm not gonna do shit today. So yeah, let's go through what I did today. So today I took a trade of gold. Actually, the price was quite fast, and honestly speaking, gold isn't my thing. Actually, gold has given me nightmares, but recently I've been checking gold. It has been on all-time highs quite much, and I believe it's going towards 3,000. So I don't like to stay in for a lot of time, especially on gold, because the volatility is crazy sometimes. So on lower time frames, I try to get a scalp. So here's what I did today. There was a nice run towards, this is the all-time high at the time. So I was expecting a retracement at least up until this order block, 5 minute order block, and it was beautifully respected, giving a wick over here. And then on a 1 minute I got on the chart. Where is it? 1 minute isn't my thing, but when it comes to quick scalps, I tend to get it. So this is what I took today. So I was anticipating price to go higher with a clear rejection. So with this candle making the higher high of this consolidation, so once it retraced and I got in over here, my stop was over here, as you can see. And with the past experience of not getting the TP at the top of the wicks, I kept my TP around here. And I was honestly, I wasn't at drawdown, but I wasn't emotionally feeling well because I lost some gains, as I said. So at 2 hour I got out of this trade, and it was 6 minute trade, which was quite manageable. And yeah, so the main thing that I was looking at was DXY. This is the game changer of today's trading. So yeah, I was expecting, yesterday the stage was met, the high time frame PDRA, and it was wicked off, rejected nicely. And there was news today, so I was expecting either price to go up at least to fair value gap, and give a OTE or something and come back. So that was my initial target if previous day the high was not taken. So I anticipated, um, with a lot of patience. I waited. So Asia, after the Asia, price wasn't moving quite well in London as well, giving me confirmation that New York is gonna run quite long. So when Asia consolidates, New York consolidates, sorry, London consolidates, usually most of the time New York will expand. Plus, in the past days of the week, we haven't reached expansion. I believe today and tomorrow it's going to be weekly expansion. So this is the trade that I took today. Um, on the 5 minute chart, I was looking at DXY and EU, and I was honestly expecting um, price to take this trend line liquidity, this trend line liquidity with the news, carrying it up on the New York Open and give an OTU somewhere over here or get in with the fair value gap. So that was my initial plan, but the news went pushed the price down. So with the news, here is how the price came down, and it came into the 30 minute what is it, just forgot, MB mitigation block, which is, let's go to the 30 minutes. Here it is. So price rejected it off nicely and came over here. So we'll go through EU's trade that I took. Yep, so I took it over here on the fair value gap, and it went higher, and it retraced on the first leg, and this is the first leg, and on the 30 minutes it's a bit clear. So yeah, okay, let's see. So this I considered as the first leg, and it came down first leg after the getting tapped in, and this is the second leg which got, and I didn't think of even going break even because the second leg was about to start at 10 a.m. in the morning. So I expected price to respect the mitigation block, which it did, and price rallied higher. So this made me achieve my target on my challenge phase, first phase of the challenge. So yeah, that is my trades for the day. As I got in here, I expect price to rally higher, and it retraced a bit, and this was a good thing that I did. I didn't go PE. It was the conviction that it said, it was like, I had the thought of setting the B but not going for it, and rather check if it can go higher on the second leg. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and we have still we have liquidity to cover over here and to get over here. So I believe with a nice retracement tomorrow price will go up. And yep, on the 4 hour it has given a nice fair value gap over here, which can be my higher time frame PDRA for tomorrow, and probably let's not say next week. Okay, we'll think about it in the weekend. That's pretty much it for tonight, but I plan to go through a screenshot of this is some shit that I recorded and I deleted because my sound was cracky. Yeah, and this is a screenshot that I took from my account, since it will be easier not to crop it again and hide the ID. So I cropped it and I hid my ID. So doesn't really matter. I don't do this to get validation from someone. This is for me being responsible for myself. So as you can see, I have reached 8% and passed the profit target, which I still have 2 more days to reach minimum trading days. Even though the account says so, I will take tomorrow's trade on 0.01, which will be 4 days on my trading. Plus the key thing to take the trade on tomorrow, if the conditions met, is because I want to get the experience and to stick to my mind that it's not always about the money. Actually, if you fall in love with the process, if you know how it works, or the know-how of it, and you anticipate it and you expect it, even if it goes the other way around, you have another plan for it. So yeah, in short, to get experience, I will look into the market tomorrow as well with a 0.01 lot. So for key takeaways of today is, it's not easy, honestly. The hardest part is being patient, and the urge to rush things. What trading has taught me is, if I rush to get the money in my pocket, then I keep on losing, because then I go completely crazy. The thing with the good traders is they're completely mechanical. They are, when the setup is shown, or when the ball is coming towards them, then they grab it with their hand. They don't run after it. If you run after it, you're gonna lose all your energy. Likewise, you're gonna lose your money. That is what has happened to me as well. So this is my journey to achieve financial independence. Let's hope I get there. I'm not gonna rush. And one more thing that I want to talk about is, before we conclude, the things that we do besides trading affects the charts a lot. What we do at the charts, it goes with your routine, what you do on your day, and what you read. And it's more like, if you stay connected to your routine, or if you are committed to it, if you write down, okay, you're gonna do this at this hour, you're gonna do this, you're gonna go for this, you're gonna do that. This has been influenced by David Goggins, but circumstances has dragged me down, but I'm trying to get on track. So yeah, then I will be, if I get to practice the routine that I write down, which I anticipate, which I plan, then my brain will give me good rewards, other than just being a silly ass going through the chart day and night trying to gamble. It is not easy, honestly. So not easy for the mental well-being as well. So yep, that's pretty much it. Fingers crossed, and we will conclude this video.